How to delete your voice conversation on ChatGPT. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you want to delete your voice conversation on ChatGPT, you must delete a text transcription of the session, as voice interactions are saved as part of your standard chat history. So what here you need to do is simply go to chatgpt.com on your device, and once you've done that, in the left hand side bar you could find all your recent conversation. If you want to delete the specific one, select the three dot icon right next to it, and there you have delete. Do the same thing once again. There will be a confirmation, select it. So then you could go ahead and select the three dot icon, go ahead and select the delete button in order to confirm. Now, if you want to delete the entire chat history, then you just want to make sure to go to your profile in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then go to settings on your device. Then go to data control. There you have delete all chats, archive all, and all that. You could go ahead and delete it entirely as well. So this way you're supposed to delete your voice conversation on ChatGPT. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.